Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ah and ow. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ah sound in the word shot, shot, shot. Now the ow sound in the word shout, shout, shout. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I heard a shout followed by a shot. I heard a shout followed by a shot. I heard a shout followed by a shot. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!